showing you a Kairi Saar, and my mother-in-law is going to be preparing it. And this Saar is super simple. It has like very few ingredients, and the end result is this lovely, tangy, sweet, little spicy Saar recipe. Now, a Saar is a very thin kind of accompaniment which you can have with rice. It's just like how you have a tomato sour or a soup consistency, but you can have this with some rice, with some pickle, papad at the side, and it tastes simply divine. It gets ready also very fast. So let's get into today's recipe then. So let's begin with today's Kairi Saar or raw mango saar. This is being prepared by my mother-in-law, so I was just filming it. So she has taken one big raw mango and just cut it up like this after peeling it. We're not going to be using the seed or the stone as it's called. Now she's just heated about 1 tablespoon of oil. Now once the oil is nice and hot, she's added about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, about half a teaspoon of hing, 1/4 teaspoon of hard or turmeric powder or haldi powder, 1 light green chili cut up into 2, 2 green chilies and 2 dried red chilies. I'll be writing down all the ingredients in the description box below. And then she's just going to be frying the chilies well. Next, go in the cut up kairi or the raw mango. Now you got to fry this raw mango along with the fodni or the tadka or the bagar as we call it for at least a minute. Now you know how moms and mom-in-laws cook. They don't have a specific kind of measurement, so they just eyeball stuff or just go by and the stuff really comes out very tasty. So I'm just trying to figure out like how to put all the measurements down, so I will be doing that, so don't worry about that. But believe me, this recipe is really delicious, and it really goes very well with some nice hot rice. It is sweet, tangy, a little spicy. So now after the everything is fried a little bit, she's added just a little bit of water to cover up just enough to cover up the raw mango pieces and the rest of the ingredients in the bagar. And now we're going to bring it to a gentle boil. These are very traditional recipes and recipes that have been handed down from one generation to the other. So, they're really amazing that we can really make all of this over again. Now, my mother-in-law has added about half a tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour, and she's just mixing it up so that all the lumps go away, so that we get a smooth kind of consistency. And now, I guess another half cup of water. So by now, 1 cup of water. And another cup of water. We don't want to make this too watery. And the besan or the chickpea flour is being used as a thickening agent. Now she's also added a little bit of gur or jaggery, which you can see in the pic here. So say about a tablespoon of jaggery. Now the kairi is saar, and of course salt. She's adding some salt. So now the kairi is sour, the gur or the jaggery is sweet, and it's quite a big amount of gur, so like about a tablespoon of gur, or you can adjust it as per your taste. And the chilies are the spicy factor, and the gur is the sweetening factor. So it's really a nice, sweet, tangy, spicy kind of curry or a saar. A saar is a very thin kind of curry. And now we're just going to boil this for about 5 minutes on a low to medium flame till everything really comes together very, very well. And that's it, friends. It's as simple as that. And your sour is all ready. And it looks like this, a kind of a stewish kind of consistency. But it's really delicious, and I hope you guys give it a try. Like this Kairi Saar or raw mango Saar recipe. If you did, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell will show. Click on that bell, click all. That way, whenever I put up any recipe, any video on my channel, you'll get a message for the same and you won't miss out any of the recipes. Also, if you're looking out for any of my recipes on YouTube, type the recipe and type Akshata's recipes besides it. For example, suppose you're searching for fried rice, type fried rice, Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will show up. Also, I'm very active on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me there. At the end of the video, 2 boxes will come up. Those are my recipes. You can just click on them if you're interested in watching. In the middle of the video, you'll see something sliding up here saying suggested. Those are also my videos. If you want to see those, just click on them. So friends, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for being a part of Akshata's recipes and watching my videos. Do leave your comments. I love to hear from all of you, and I do reply as soon as possible. So guys, take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Take care guys, bye.